What go on, guys? We're there back with the next video, see me? Today, a part 3 of the Porridge series. Episode 3 of the Porridge series, see me? So I'm going to come and shop because I'm going to buy Lasco for dropping on the Porridge, see me? So I want to do for me, guys. I want to give video a like. I want to like the video, man. I want to leave a comment down below. Yeah, because in the same time, you don't know what kind of porridge. Cornmeal porridge with cinnamon leaf in there and nutmeg and vanilla, coconut milk and them things there. Because I don't know, say, oh, we're all about flavor. I have to make it nice. You see me? Can't make it flat, I have to make it nice. I want to share the video and help me grow. I'm there 100, no, I'm there 86 subscribers. I want to share it up, man. Share the video, man. Share the video, them. Help me grow, man. Help me reach 1K, man. Help me reach 1,000. So share the video, man. When not share the video, you know. Share the, help me grow, man. Help a youth reach him goal, man. Yeah. And if you wish me to do so, just do it right thing and share the video, man. Follow me IG, Jeff876 and Yasta Adventures. Because before I post something on IG, I always put a snippet on IG. No, if I put something on YouTube, I always put a snippet on IG. So all who follow on IG, we see what I go on before it actually posts. You see me? So follow on IG if you keep up the speed of what I go on. Yeah. So here I go now, guys. I'm jump right now every day now, so look at more. See part here, guys. I don't know, and the cinnamon leaf. Cinnamon leaf, get a knife there, so after you use cinnamon leaf when you cook porridge. Alright, so we are at cornmeal time. And some coconut milk. Thank you, miss. I don't know, guys. The spirit. I don't want to lump up. Alright, guys, who know this? When I come for this, we burn it really hot. Well thick. So the milk gone it already now. So creamy and nice. Huh? Creamy and nice. Yeah, man, so I don't know how this one now. Are the nutmeg and vanilla and the sugar for sweeten it. Because I don't know, say, like we put it less than it. When I have to sweeten it with milk, you can put the sugar, or you can put the sugar and a little milk. But me personally, like when I cornmeal porridge, have a bit of sugar in it. Yeah. So I'm soon come back. Vanilla. Can't put too much sugar in it because that's have a bit of sweetness in it, so put a little and taste. Then we can come out now because part done boil already. Alright, I might share this. So just consume it now and then go do what I have to do. But I'm cool for it because cornmeal porridge really hot. You see burning up wicked. Done. Alright guys. Right here is my close to the video. You see me? Hold on there. Yeah. My close the video out right here, so right? Because my shell don't work quite about now. Yeah. So my catch you back in the next video. If you like the video, just press the like button. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how on prepare for the cornmeal porridge and what on put in it. You see me? Yeah. Man, subscribe if you don't subscribe it, and if you are subscribed already, just take some of the phone, point to your house and subscribe to the channel again. You see me? Yeah man, help me grow. I'll show them how to know. Yeah, so I'm chop out the wall here. See hammer here. See chisel. Yeah, chop out the wall. The wall go right down. Right down. Yeah man, so I put on some work about now. Cornmeal porridge kinda warm for now. You see me? I'm saying before follow me IG, link your page them down below. So just scroll down, click it and give me a follow upon them, you see me? So catch you on the video people. Look more.